Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Pixel 8 Pro and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in the general settings we have to find the section sound and vibration. Now let's scroll down a little bit, and here we've got listed the options thanks to which we can change the sounds in the device, and the phone ringtone is right here. So simply tap on it, and as you can see, we've been transferred to the list of the pre-installed options from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do, those are kind of albums, so after entering particular one we will have more options to choose from, as you can see here. So basically pick the one you'd like to check, maybe material, adventures, and here we've got 14 different sounds. So let me tap on one in order to check whether you like it or not. Let me volume it down a little bit, and basically this is how you can check whether you like the ringtones or not. If you want to set particular ringtone, simply tap on it. So for example this shimmering, and tap on save in the right upper corner, and as you can see it will be immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.